Hi guys, let's get started on our proportion and percents workout number 5. Today's problem says the price is $2 for 5 pounds of watermelon. That is our rate, our given rate. Use the following ratio tables to find out how much different amounts of watermelon can cost. So I'm going to put pounds on top, money on the bottom. You do not have to do that. You can do it however you like. And then I have 5 pounds on top, $2 on bottom. So make sure you're paying attention to that because it's 2 for 5, but 5 pounds is on the top. So just depending on how you write that, make sure that your numbers match up when you're filling out your table. All right. So we're going to 10 pounds. First, I'm going to go to 10 pounds. That way I can go to 1 pound, and then I can easily get down to 9 pounds. And I know I'm going to want that unit rate for the next problems as well. And so we're going to double, and that gets us to 10 pounds really quickly. 10 pounds costs $4. That means 1 pound, right? Dividing by 10. So we divide 4 by 10. We're moving that decimal is 0.4. We're talking about money, so that would be 40 cents. Okay, so our unit rate per pound, 1 pound costs 40 cents. And so if I wanted to find out how much 9 pounds was, I could just do 10 minus 1 equals 9. And 4 minus 40 cents equals $3.60. So again, if you notice the pattern here, it kind of weaned us off of the 10 and the 1, but we still had to find the 10 and the 1. So if you're really struggling when you work these problems out, go to 10 and go to 1, and that'll really help clarify your thinking, because once we have that rate and we know that it's 40 cents, that helps us when we're thinking about how to solve the rest of them and what numbers we want to use. All right, 9 pounds is $3.60. How much would 3 pounds be? So pounds and money. I could start with the rate they gave me, which is 5 and 2. You could go to 10 and 4. That takes me down to 1 and 0.4. Then you can multiply by 3, and 3 pounds would cost you $1.20. And I got that just by multiplying 1 times 3, and then 4 times 3 gives us 12. So 0.4 times 3 would give us 1.20, or for this, $1.20. Okay. You could have done this a different way if you use the information at the top. So let me grab another color. I'm going to grab the green and show you if you had started here and said, well, I know that 9 pounds is $3.60. If I divide each one of these by 3, that would give me my rate for 3 pounds. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 360 divided by 3 is $1.20. 60 cents divided by 3 is 20 cents. And then $3 divided by 3 is $1. So just by knowing this, I was able to jump straight to that in one step. I modeled this one as if this was the only problem we were doing. So remember, you can use the information in your previous ratio tables to help you solve. Number 3, how many pounds of watermelon can you buy for $1.60? So I'm going to put pounds on top, money below. Start with the rate that I was given, 5 for 2, which gets me to 10 and 4 very quickly, which gets me down to 1 and 0.4. Okay, so I know that 4 goes into 16 4 times. So it would only stand to reason that 40 cents goes into $1.60 4 times. And so just by multiplying by 4, we get to $1.60, and 4 times 1 here. So you can buy 4 pounds for $1.60. Okay. And then last but not least, number 4, Abigail spent $19.60. Craig spent $42.40. Use the following ratio table to determine how many pounds of watermelon each person bought. Pounds on top, moolah on the bottom. Starting with the ratio they gave me, which is 5-2. Notice, I need to get to 1960 pretty quickly. And look, that's really 20, like the closest whole number is 20. And notice 1960 is only 0.4, right, away from 20. And so if I go straight to $20 here, which I can do just by multiplying by 10, so I get 50 pounds. All I have to do is take away my unit rate, right, my 1. So 1 pound for 0.4 or 40 cents. This gives me $19.60, and 50 minus 1 is 49. Okay, so I went from given to 50, subtracted 1, and got down. So Abigail can buy 49 pounds of watermelon. Craig, on the other hand, let's pick up Craig. I'm going to pick the green pen for Craig. Craig, we got to get all the way up to $42.40. So I'm going to double my 50 and my 20. So that gives me 100 pounds of watermelon, cost $40. So that gets me pretty close. Now all I need is $2.40. So I just need $2.40. Did we do $2.40 anywhere? We know we have $1.60 here, would be 4. I could use that one. Let's see if I have any here that might help us. 3 is $1.20, 4 is $1.60, 5 is $2. You know what? I'm gonna go with 6. I'm gonna guess it at 6. 6 times 1 gives me 6. 6 times 4 is 24, but I'm dealing with a decimal, so that's $2.40. And boom, that's exactly what I needed, guys. So that's why we play around with the numbers. 100 plus 6 gives me 106, and then 40 plus $2.40 gives me a grand total of $42.40, which is how much Craig had to spend. And so now we know that Craig can buy 106 pounds of watermelon for $42.40. All right, guys, I hope that made sense to you today. I'm going to encourage you to try to use a ratio table to solve proportion problems in your regular math class, and have a great rest of your day.